Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will learn how to create an app from a template, a blank canvas, and a data source. Any table in existing data source. Data source could be Dataverse, SQL, or the SharePoint. So let's start it. So when we navigate to make.powerapp.com, we have several options to create an app. You may create an app using existing template. You can search for any specific template. There are a lot of templates available on the portal. You can select any template, edit that template, and you can customize as per your need. Next option is using create an app from a data source. So when you navigate to make.powerapp.com, so you will get different data source options like Dataverse, SharePoint, or SQL or Excel. You can select any specific data source wherever your data is available. You can select that data source. With existing data, you can create 3 screen app very quickly in few clicks only, that I demonstrated in my previous video. Next option to create an app is you can start with the blank screen and you can design the entire app from scratch. Let's cover all of these options one by one. Let's start with the template first. These are the available templates. You can search any specific template from here as well. As per the need, you can select the template. For this, let's say we are creating leave request app. So you can click on that particular template. You may customize name as per the need, and even you can customize the format as well, like how you would like to roll out this app with your users, either in tablet format or the phone. You will get this pop-up. So it will ask for few permissions. So click on it. So these are the screens on the left hand side. You can navigate between different screens by selecting any particular screen, or whatever changes you would like to do, you can do directly on the screen. In the right hand side, suppose if we would like to change the property of any specific control, you can customize as per the need, and you can share this app with your co-workers by clicking on the share icon. First, it will save the app, then you can share this app with your co-workers. Provide the name of people you would like to share app, or if you have a group, any specific group you would like, you can share, or you may share with everyone. If you would like to send an email notification, you may check. This app has been shared within our organization. Everyone can access uh, this app. Now let me go back to the second option. We are going to create an app from the data source. So these are the available options. If you would like to create an app using existing data source, you may create app using Dataverse, SharePoint, Excel, SQL. So let's start with SharePoint. Select your connection, select your site, select the list you would like to create an app for. Suppose employee details, I would like to create an app. These are the three screens you will get when you create an app using existing data source. And again, you can share this app with your coworker as this app is fully functional. So you can share by clicking on the share icon. Search the person or group you would like to share. Let's say I would like to share with everyone. You can select everyone. Make sure people have the required permission on this particular list. At least contribute access is required. So first share the permission on the list by navigating to the permission. I already demonstrated the steps how you can share the permission to the users, that you can check out in the previous module. Your app has been shared successfully. People can access your app, or you may directly provide the web link as well, something like this. So this is how you can create app with existing data. Now let's move to the third option, that is creating an app from scratch. To create blank app, click on this tile blank app. You will get three options: blank canvas app, model driven app, and the power pages. In this series, we focus on Canvas app. For model driven app, I will create a separate series, and similarly for the Power Pages. In the blank screen app, you will get a single screen. You can rename screen by clicking on three dots, and let's say this is a welcome screen. Similarly, if you would like to add more screen, you can do so by clicking on this new screen option. You will get different options like blank screen, split screen, and these are the options you may select from. Or there is another tab as well, templates. You can select any predefined template. Let's say we are going to create an app where user can add item to our SharePoint list. So once user add an item, user should navigate to this screen. You can add screen as per your need. Let's say I'm adding one more screen to create the input form. Let's move to welcome screen and let's design it. Search for rectangle. I'm using rectangle just for the designing purpose. So let's create an header, something like this. As we are creating input form, so let's provide an option for that, include button. When user click on this button, this should navigate to our input screen. You can use navigate function to navigate. Now let me add a text, input text, center align it, click on the color as the white, make it little bold. Welcome the current logged in user. We can do this by the help of user function. One thing, just little bit increase the width, make it center aligned. Now we are ready with our welcome screen. So when user clicks on add new item, they will redirect it to the input screen. Now let's design our input screen. Before including input form, let's connect to the data source. In order to connect to data source, navigate to this data tab. Now click on the add data. Search for SharePoint or any data source you would like to connect. In this video, I'm going to use the SharePoint as my data source. search for form, click on edit form. So our input form is ready with all the fields. If you would like to edit the fields, you can click on the edit fields. As per the need, you can remove fields by clicking on the dot icon and remove. Currently we are using 3 column format. You can change this format as well, like suppose if I would like to use the 4 column format, then you can utilize this option. Even you can change the layout as well, like horizontal. Next option is the default mode. By default this is the edit form, but we are going to add a new item, so you can select new from the default mode. Visibility is something like whether you would like to make it visible or not. As per the business case, later when you will start creating app, you can utilize this option as per the need. Position is all about where you would like to place this form. Size is again what should be the height and the width of your form, you can change from here. Now our form is ready. Let me add a button here. Rename it submit, and on select submit form. Let's quickly do a testing. Title, this is testing 1, hiring manager. This is, let's say Raj is the hiring manager. Any position ID if you have, test. And you can further scroll down to populate the details. For now let's keep these details and let's submit the form. Okay, form submitted successfully. When form submit successfully, we would like to go back to welcome screen. So select the form and search for on success. When the form is successful, navigate to welcome screen. And we also would like to notify item added successfully. Notification type, provide the notification type. Now again let me add another item quickly. If you enjoy the video and want to stay up to date related to Power Apps, Power Automate, SharePoint, and RPA, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support really helps me out. See you in the next video.